Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and today I wanted to do a futures video. Trade that we made a couple trades on this one, is cotton. You know, cotton is a market that I haven't really talked about that much as far as, you know, the free videos that I do, but it is a market that we do trade a lot of in the swing trade service. So we took two trades on this one, and you know, the second one that we took definitely has potential to give us so much more. So what I am looking for, what we did initially is we took a short here at 61.20. My handwriting is pretty atrocious, but that's why I'm a trader. I'm not a handwriting analyst, or you know, whatever it would be, cryptographer. But anyway, we took a short right here at 61.20, and then we took profit right about here at 60.50, which is about a 1.3 to 1. Which isn't the best risk reward, but that's what it was, 1.3 to 1. We got short 61.20. Our stop actually was up here, and we were able to take profit here because that's what I was looking at. Short here, and we staggered it. You know, we wanted to short partial and partial up here, and then take our profit down here. You know, that's what happened. You know, we were like, yeah, let's do it again, rinse and repeat type of thing, and we did. 61.20 here, and then 61.50 closer up here, which made it 61.35. My handwriting seems to be getting a little bit better as we go through, but you know, writing with a mouse isn't optimum. So anyway, this was our short right here. So the market came down today, and we took profit at the same exact place, 60.5, and we took that on part of our trade, and the rest of it is going to have a stop right here. You know, and that's the way that we like to trade. You know, it looks, you know, if cotton can break down, going into next week, it can really turn into something. If it comes back up, you know, it is what it is. It doesn't really matter. You know, and that's really what trading should be. You know, 1.3 to 1 risk reward, or 1.3 to 1 reward to risk, since 1.3 was our reward. Sometimes I have issues. Risk reward, reward to risk, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, our reward 1.3, risk in 1. You know, that's not our optimum level that we look for. You know, I've showed in the past we're looking for 2 to 1 minimum, 2 to 1, you know, 5 to 1, 6 to 1, 10 to 1. You know, and if you're getting that, you know, 8 to 1, 10 to 1, 12 to 1, you're able to, you know, grab these lower ones. You know, there are some, you know, this one was a very high probability, and you know, we're like, okay, we'll take it. We'll take this one. You know, we could have actually had our stop a little bit lower in hindsight, but this level looked very good. And you know, it was one of those things. You know, I want to be short. I like the short. You know, it's better than 1 to 1. You know, and it also, you know, our stop is small enough to where if we get stopped out, it's not going to hurt us too bad. You know, but it's also big enough to where the likelihood of us getting stopped isn't that bad. You know, and that's really the main part of trading. You know, you don't want to have your stop too small, so there's a likelihood of you getting stopped out. There's a greater likelihood of you getting stopped out. But you don't want to have it too big because you're risking way more than your profit is going to be. I see a lot of times, hypothetical situation. Let's say you got short here, great entry, but you were like, well, the market could come back up, so I'm going to put my stop way up here, and then I'm going to look for a target much, much, much lower. Okay. Market trades, you haven't gotten stopped out, you haven't gotten your take profit order. But what do you do here? Do you say, well, nothing's happened, I'm just going to keep my order exactly how it is going into the weekend, since today's Friday? What I like to do more importantly is take profit. Taking profit is really how the money is made. Your entries, yeah, you can get great entries, but it doesn't matter if you're not taking profit. If you are taking bad entries and taking profit, that's a whole nother issue. But being able to take some profit at a very good level that has good reward to risk, which 1.3 isn't that great, but I wanted to show this trade because I've been getting emails, because I've been showing the 8-to-1 and 12-to-1 reward to risk, and last month was just incredible. We got those all the time. We were I was kind of shocked. We were able to just grab, get great reward to risk trades. I don't even know if we had a stop out last month. I'll have to go over the records, but we may not have even had a stop out in like 20 plus trades, which is phenomenal, and that's definitely not the norm. The norm is probably a mixture between this month and last month, because we have taken a few more stop outs this month, and they've been smaller, and that's one of the reasons why our reward to risk isn't the 8-to-1, the 12-to-1, because the markets are a little bit more choppy, and that's what you get sometimes. Like in this mess here, you have to be diligent. Do I want to trade it? Do I not want to trade it? Well, this trade here, I didn't know it was going to do this here, but I knew there was a good chance that we were going to get a reversal, and I knew that getting out here was a good area to get out, at least partial. We only got filled on half of our position here, so we took off half of our position here. That's how I trade. If I'm in a full position, we'll do half and half. If I'm in half a position, we do the entire half out. And that's the best way to trade. So anyway, I wanted to show this just because the reward to risk is better than 1-to-1. But do I try to take trades like this all the time? No. I take them when I can, when I have very high probability chance that they will work out. And that's a conversation for another time that can last, weeks on end. But anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video, you got something out of it. You can always leave comments below. I encourage comments. No such thing as a dumb question. If you have any questions, ask. That's what this whole website is founded upon, is being able to ask questions. I don't know everything in the world, but I know a little bit about a little bit, and part of the little bit that I know is able to make some money in the markets. So that's what really matters. So anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.